As you can see, today so far I'm at $105, and yesterday I'm at $279, and for the month I'm a little over $1,100. So inside of this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I was able to generate over $300 per day using TikTok and affiliate marketing. And the best part about this strategy is you don't have to get on camera or show your face. You don't have to create a product, a course, or a service. You don't have to spend any money on advertising, or you'll need a huge budget to get up and running. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. All right, so before I show like the step-by-step on how I was able to do this, I want to show you my results from posting on TikTok and Instagram Reels, as well as a couple other affiliates getting results with different offers and stuff like that, just to show you what's possible. So first off, we go to my TikTok, show you my most viral videos. If you can actually go to my TikTok and Instagrams live at Fvgures. Right now I got 377 followers. Not too many videos, probably like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's about 16, 17 videos on here so far. And I've been doing pretty good. As you can see, 377 followers. Got a video at 18,000 views. Might as well say 11,000. Might as well say 10, 5,000, basically 3,000, 1,600, 1,500, 1,300, 900, 800, 800, and the rest is history. Now my Instagram, if we go to my Reels, it's not all the videos I'm gonna count. It's the same ones from that I posted on TikTok. So this one got 2,600 views. This one got 2,500 views. 3,000 views. Scroll down. This one got 60,000 views, 1,800 views. Let's see, scroll down a little more. 4,800 views, 1,200 views, 2,300 views, 17, might as well say 17,000. 23,000, 3,400, 3,600, 168,000. And what's crazy is my very first time trying out my strategy, I was able to get over 500,000 views. This was generating majority of this results because I'm getting a lot of spillover traffic from when I posted that video. So all of those videos I got, like this one with 500,000 views, this one with 100,000 views, 20,000 views, 16, 17,000 views, all that stuff. Those videos are still getting me traffic, leads, and commissions each and every single day. So even if I don't post, 3 to 5 times per day like I want to, my videos from before is still working for me all day, every day. That's what I love about marketing, social media, and stuff like that. As well as if you go on my YouTube channel, got a couple of videos pushing my affiliate funnel as well. So it's 2 videos I got, I believe. It's this one, it got 1,000 views that I uploaded 2 months ago. This one got 6.6 thousand views that I uploaded 2 months ago. And one I uploaded 2 weeks ago, 728. So I'm pushing a work from home funnel. I'm about to go over in a second, but what I want to do is show a couple of affiliates promoting different offers, like in ClickBank and things like that. So we go check out this Instagram. I want to say Daily Health is what you want to call it. So as you can see, they uploaded this January 1st. Today is Sunday, February the 5th. So about a month ago, they got 1 million views. All it is literally a screenshot picture over a background video. I'm gonna show you how you can do the same thing. The video is only 8 seconds long, as you can see right here. It's literally just a picture. Best foods before bedtime, worst foods before bedtime. Reason why this works, because on TikTok, the longer somebody, basically like retention, the longer somebody watch your video, the more they're gonna push it. So by the time a person reads, okay, the best foods before bedtime, bananas, kiwi, honey, hot milk, worst food, spicy food, alcohol, blah, blah, blah. They didn't seen it, they didn't watch the entire 8-second clip probably 2 or 3 times before they even get done reading everything on here. And when people watch a video over and over again, that's a good indicator to TikTok that this is a viral worthy video. So they're gonna keep pushing it, keep pushing it, keep pushing it until it dies out. And these type of pages tend to get a lot of views, man, a lot of views. And if you're pushing an affiliate offer, so I went and noticed on their page, let's say right here, one of these videos. This one got 31,000 views on it. Let's click on this. This is an affiliate offer that I know for a fact that they got from ClickBank. So erectile dysfunctions reasons. They got another screenshot just like this. You can get those off Instagram. I know y'all see a lot of pages that post pictures and stuff like this. Offer erectile dysfunction reasons. You can go search that. I'm gonna show you where to get that, and post it on TikTok. Let me see. I'm surprised in the caption they didn't say click the link in my bio for a solution or whatever. Surprised they didn't, but yeah, you can promote a ClickBank offer. I'm gonna show you a ClickBank offer that goes hand in hand with this. Matter of fact, I can show you right now. erectile dysfunction offer. Go to ClickBank right now. Go to top offers. Just let it load. I don't know if my internet is loading slow or is it just, I don't know, let me refresh it. Food. Okay, looks like it's working. All right, well, while that's loading, so we're looking for one of those offers. I'm gonna show you the second TikTok example. This is somebody promoting an affiliate offer. They got 15,000 followers, 46,000 likes on their page. Honest affiliate marketing journey, how I got started. This is his affiliate link right here. So let's actually open this in a new tab. How did I get started? This is the course that I did at the start of my affiliate marketing journey. This takes him to his affiliate link right here. You notice the affiliate link because at the end say and a boom, and here's his affiliate ID right here, 0D86 AFD4. I've been seeing a lot of people promote this offer on TikTok. It's called the Freedom Affiliate Launch, I guess. It's something new. I don't know too much about it, so I'm not even gonna say, but you can go through it yourself. I believe they from Australia or whatever. I forgot how much this course costs, but I think it's like $97 or something like that. And on his TikTok, if you go check it out, Affiliate AUS, you can see his first video, 38,000 views, 22,000 views, 19,000 views, 18,000 views, so on and so forth. This video, almost 400,000 views. I think he got another one with over, yep, this one right here, 122,000 views. So on his TikTok account, all he do is document his affiliate marketing journey. Me personally, I'm not on camera yet, but I'm about to start getting on camera because I'm about to do something similar to this to promote my affiliate offers. I want to see basically the results. I'm gonna track that as well, document that on YouTube, all that good stuff. But yeah, so from those videos, he got what, 18? He got a little over 20 videos on his page. He got 15,000 followers, and I think he's making over like $1,000, $2,000 a week by now. And he just started this, I want to say, on the 8th of January. So about a month ago, he started this challenge. Already got 15,000 followers and $1,000 in commissions. And this is the offer he's promoting. You can always go search this up, the freedomformula.online, and go check out that affiliate program. Now let's see if ClickBank loaded up. All right, so boom, ClickBank loaded up. We scroll down to top offers, Red Boost, Destroy Your Erectile Dysfunction Supplement. Gravity score of 566. That's 500 affiliates promoting this offer right now and getting results with an average conversion of $120. So can you imagine just one sale a day? That's over $3,000 a month. And all you gotta do is post a picture like this. Erectile dysfunctions reasons. You can easily search that on Pinterest, Instagram, or Google. And for background videos like this, you can easily just go to pexels.com. Let's just say something like the beach, or you know what, sunset. Search the sunset, click on search. Right here, you want to click on videos. And first thing I like to do is click on the filters tab right here. Click on orientations and do vertical because that's how the TikTok videos are, and on Instagram as well. From there, you can scroll down, find a video, sunset, let it load a bit. Use something like this, free download. You don't have to create an account. And as you can see at the bottom left, it just downloaded. Boom, got your video, 6 seconds long. You can use this on TikTok right now. Yeah, it's just that quick. Now, as far as let me X out of here, like the fitness facts, things like that, those type of pictures, you easily do a Google search. Let's say fitness facts, search, click on images. So something like this, perfect. 9 interesting facts about fitness. Let's open this in a new tab. Boom, you can save it to your computer. Boom, got the download now. Now you got your background video. Got your background video and the picture you can put over it. And guess what? All you gotta do is go on TikTok and add the "Did you know?" question mark with the picture and the background video. Now you post a few of these a day. You know, of course, different ones. One of these is gonna go viral, being that, you know, by the time a person gets done reading everything that's on the picture, they ought to watch the video at least 3 to 4 times. And that's a very clear sign to a very clear indicator to TikTok that this is a great video. And guess what? They're gonna keep pushing your video, and if you're promoting an affiliate offer inside of your caption, you're gonna end up naturally getting a lot of traffic. So in the caption, you can say something like, grab the #1 fitness supplement. I don't know, whatever. Go and ClickBank, find your offer, and come up with your headline or your call to action from there. It's literally that simple. People is doing this all day, every day. You see this page, you got 17,000 followers doing the same exact thing I literally just taught you in less than 5 minutes. Now, as far as like the landing page thing, let me click on the link tree right here. So I know a lot of you guys can't afford, $100 a month with ClickFunnels, like I use with my affiliate offers. But you can use something like this, a link tree, where it's literally just a picture and a couple links, and already promoting their ClickBank offers. These I know for a fact it's 2 different ClickBank offers. If you want to create, actually I don't even like Linktree. I actually like this website called solo.to. I like this way it looks like. It's way more cleaner visual wise. I like it. I will leave a link in the description to solo.to so you can get 10% off if you decide to upgrade. But yeah, it's basically the same thing as my page. It's just, of course, your own stuff. This is where you'll put your affiliate link at in the dashboard area. Just get your affiliate link from ClickBank and just upload it there. That's simple. Now, to kind of give like a recap and a monetization step by step, you want to post 1 to 3 times per day. Going over exactly how I just went over inside the video, getting the video, background video from Pexels, getting like a random facts. You can search on Instagram, you can search on Google or Pinterest. You want to do that strategy 1 to 3 times per day for 30 days and analyze and see which content of yours is performing the best, and then just double down and recreate your most viral content. I mean, if your content is good, if a certain piece of content is going viral, you want to recreate that over and over again so you can keep going more and more viral and get more clicks, traffic, leads, and sales to your offers, and of course make a lot of money. And after you get 1,000 followers on Instagram, you'll be able to place a link in your bio. Me personally, I like to promote my, until I get 1,000 followers, I like to promote it inside of my videos, inside of my captions. And you could place your link inside of your bio. It just won't be clickable until you got 1,000 followers. And then my favorite piece of it all is just to add a call to action inside of every post. The call to action is basically telling them what to do. Click the link in my bio for the #1 fitness program. Yeah, that's basically all it is. You can do that inside of every caption. You can do it inside of your video. You can do it inside of your bio. You want to put your call to actions everywhere so you know where to direct your traffic to, because if you don't add a call to action, I promise you, you will not make the most of your traffic, and the marketing is pointless. Now, if you want access to my free traffic done for you campaign, right now I'm selling it for only $15, man. This is the lowest it will ever be all year. So inside of my free traffic done for you campaign, I gave out my expounding referral link to make it easier to get approved. I give out my ClickBooth referral link, my Cash Network referral link. Now, mind you, all 3 of these is private affiliate networks, so you'll get access to a more exclusive offer. I actually have a 30-minute training video inside the members area going over my exact strategy step by step in detail. I also have my landing page. You can literally just swipe it on the one I use, Top Brand Reviews. And all you would do is just put your affiliate link inside of this button and change the picture, the logo, whatever. And you're pretty much good to go. Now, this funnel is responsible for me generating over $300 per day. So like I said, links will be in the description or in the comment section down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at BigJalen and subscribe to my YouTube channel for part 3. But that's all I got for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one.